सीक्रेट्स मैं किसी को नहीं बताता
अरे यार
कोई सीक्रेट नहीं बताता हूँ क्या खाना है क्या नहीं खाना आई ऑल्सो डोंट गो टू द जिम आई ऑल्सो डोंट हैव एंड आई एम जेनेटिकली ब्लेस्ड हार्ट अटैक हो गया था पूरी टीम को हीरोइन को कोरोना हो गया है सब लोग फोन कर रहे हैं मैडम आई यू ओके शी इज इन क्वारंटाइन
Hello and welcome to Spotboy. This is Anita in conversation with the man whose feet are never on the ground. That is Vidyut Jammwal and the very pretty and very gorgeous Rukmini. Hello and welcome to Spotboy. Thank you guys for having a conversation with me. It is so nice finally to meet one on one and do this interviews. Especially for a film like this. ये ट्रेलर में आपने इतना धमाका कर दिया यार मूवी में क्या करने वाले हो विद्युत इस टाइम ये बताइए.
So Sanak है यार like every time I needed to surpass what I've already done और चूंकि एज एन ऑडियंस मैं भी अपने आप को देखता हूँ कि मैंने पहले से क्या बेटर किया है नहीं किया सो हर बार एक उत्तरदायित्व तो होता है कि अपने से बेहतर करें आप सो इस बार वही किया है सनक आई थिंक वी सरपास्ड एवरीथिंग दैट वी डन इन द पास्ट
रुक्मिणी व्हाई डिड यू चूज सनक व्हाट वाज दैट बिकॉज़ दिस इज योर डेब्यू फिल्म
मुझे बहुत सनक चाहिए मुझे करना था तो मैंने बोल दिया कि हां मैं करती हूं सनक सो जोक्स अपार्ट आई थिंक
आई थॉट यू वर सीरियस
वो तो बोलना पड़ता है ना जोक्स अपार्ट टू मैनेज इट
ताकि समझ आ जाए
no but no it was a very entertaining script I wanted to there are certain projects you select for the script there's certain projects you want to work with a set of actors there are certain projects you want that certain banner on your checklist but then there are certain projects you just feel like you just I think it was perhaps Sanak I was like I wasn't really looking for that अच्छा ठीक है मुझे हिंदी में एक पिक्चर करनी है December but when it came my way I was like yeah okay let's do it it sounds cool it just sounded very cool so and then जब नाम पता चले वो और भी ज़्यादा cool है it just became cooler so yeah but no as an entire package I think the action and of course the story that we have that's got a big emotional angle to it I mean विवान अपने बीवी के लिए मैंने फॉर द लव ऑफ हिज लाइफ ही इज गोइंग ऑल द वे तो उसका सनक भी उसी वजह से सो एवरीथिंग टुगेदर
विद्युत के सब फिल्म्स में ऐसे होता है देयर इज एन इमोशनल पार्ट बट देयर इज इवन एक्शन एंड
the ladies love the emotions
yeah actually
also the action
so Vidyut people like I was talking to a lot of my friends and they were like अरे like you said you have to surpass and they were also like next क्या अभी इसमें क्या होने वाला है and this is nice what they have seen how do you manage to make sure that you don't repeat what you have done in the past and to surpass it again
I work very hard towards it
we can
and I work
that.
hard in silence I don't put on so many videos but I really do train and I really have a great responsibility to do much better than what I've done the only secret is I really work hard
we see that
but I enjoy it it doesn't feel like hard work it's just that
I saw these marks and I was like oh my god
I walked in the set I haven't told him this I actually haven't told him this we were shooting the hospital sequence and our vans were parked and in the middle of that there's this big mat and I saw this boy he's continuously doing something or the other like he's stretching he's marring gulati he's doing something or the other and I'm like and I had to call my mom back home and say this is too much pressure I need to have blinders on I cannot see him do this because then you get into this complex he's like doing so much all the time there are times where okay chalo yaar ye nahi karne se chada but he's always at it and I think that's the beauty of it
I remember just like the way you said it एक दिन मैं सेट पे बैठा हुआ था और हम लोग चेयर पे पास में बैठे थे we were waiting for something so she looked at my knuckles like this I remember her staring at it like this so I looked at her and so then she couldn't stay she's like ये क्या हो रहा है I remember this exactly what you said
yeah even I was like पूछूं नहीं पूछूं करूं नहीं करूं
ये पहले लाल होते हैं फिर पर्पल हो जाते हैं फिर ठीक हो जाते हैं फिर हो जाते हैं
but when you get injured or when you have bruises like this do you ever feel नहीं यार थोड़ा रेस्ट कर लेते फिर वापस we will start ऐसा
when I get injured I do take rest like you have to be resting your body and your mind so I do everything that's meant to be done चोटें तो लगती हैं यार अगर आप पानी में जाओगे और गीले नहीं होगे वो तो इम्पॉसिबल है so if you're doing phenomenal stuff and you want to do great stuff you will get hurt and injured but that can't stop you
like you mentioned it is a pressure to work with him especially when he's flying always like I mentioned in my intro what was your preparation before you went on the sets how did you manage to
with the script of course because my focus is always I mean the acting bit and how I have to perform but the added pressure was him to look a certain way next to him and of course because He's beating up all the bad guys in the film, but I have been beating up Vidya Jamwal in the film.
That's
that
true.
I've done it.
Yeah?
Yeah. So for that I came ready
Nice.
actually for it. So I remember I called up people. I was just mentioning that I called up people. I said, listen, I need to get a train. I need to start training. I've never done that in my life. So they were like, okay, first learn to breathe right and all of those things. And मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ में आता है. I've never even attempted yoga in my life.
Okay.
So I'm like, yeah, if somebody could, I keep telling you, if somebody could chew my food for me, I'd be glad.
तो तुम इतनी फिट कैसे हो गए बिना योगा
It's just genetics, it's just metabolism.
देखो अपनी मम्मी की फोटो
नहीं, अभी मम्मी के तो 2 बच्चे हो गए, वो इतना
जेनेटिक्स में तो होने चाहिए
No, but she
बहुत
was-
एक्सरसाइज
she
करती है
was-
वैन में ऐसे हिलती रहती है इसकी वैन कुछ ना कुछ पुश
That is just not something right. This is another film, another interview. But yeah, it was a lot. But I think he's made me feel very comfortable on set. I cannot deny that. And he does that not only with me, with everybody on set. He'll come and, if you've performed, even if it's not, even if he's performed a scene with you, he'll come and tell you that, I think you were really good. And if you were not, he'll tell you want to do it. A lot of times what happens is that actors, they tell you, उसको लगा कि उसका अपना शॉट अच्छा है. It happens. I will not deny it. Maybe even I have done it. I don't know. But you're like, I'm looking fine. ठीक है, चलो. But he'll be like, no. And I'll tell him, you're good. I said, no, but I think if you want, you should.
He
must
works
attempt
with
it.
the actor.
Yeah. So and this is something even I have learned back home, that a scene never works when only one person works.
Yes, true.
If only I perform and he doesn't, or he performs or I doesn't, the scene doesn't work.
Right.
And that's not how cinema works. So you have to do that for the other person, and that is a very giving power. That's a very giving. It takes a lot. You don't see it that way, but it does. And he has that, and I think that's beautiful.
And that uplifts the scene
Yeah.
and the film as well when you do
and
something
even
like
during,
that.
Even during the scene where I was beating him up, he was very, very cautious about the fact
हाँ
that.
ऐसे बोल रही बीटी ने जिसने
मैं वही-
अच्छा लगा ना?
मैं वही पूछने वाली थी।
हाँ पटक तो बहुत जोर जोर की पटका है पेट में दर्द हो गई
No, but he's very particular about you, so that the other person is not hurt.
No, we were doing this action sequence and when a woman's doing an action piece with you, बहुत responsibility होती है यार कि कल उसको जरा थोड़ा सा भी लग जाए तो it's a great responsibility. I was careful, but ये भी नहीं मानती एक और करते it was quite cool.
कैसा था, मतलब लगी वगी की नहीं जोर से इन्होंने जब
नहीं लगी तो नहीं. She's trained. She's she's good. I'm very happy with the fact that I've worked with her on this.
But did you share some tips with her regarding
Secrets
what
मैं
नहीं?
किसी को नहीं बताता
अरे
हूँ.
यार।
कोई secret नहीं बताता हूँ क्या खाना है क्या नहीं खाना. I also don't go to the gym. I also don't have a trainer. And I'm genetically blessed.
देखो आपको दे दिया उन्होंने जो
Just for a fact, I'm being honest. That's all.
नहीं खाती तो बहुत है यार बहुत खाती है
अभी I
यार.
was having this big margarita cheese
थोड़ा-
slice. अभी वो आके देख के.
then you're blessed,
देख के
truly blessed,
Yeah,
yeah.
this is I get
Seriously.
flattered too often. नजर लग जाएगी, touch wood.
We all wish ऐसा हो जाए हमारे साथ भी actually. But like I said, in the beginning, when it comes to your films, the audience do expect action तो है ही because you are known for that, but emotions भी है आपके फिल्म में, love angle भी है आपके फिल्म में, सब है. Is that a conscious decision from your end to take up films like that, which has everything in it? एक पूरा package है वो.
No, things keep changing, yeah. So when I started my journey in the Hindi film industry, it was different from what it is right now. I'm enjoying looking at content that I think I can really do different stuff with. Like Khuda Hafiz is a prime example.
Yeah.
It was a big chance for me not to take my shirt off in a film. That was the first time. So director को भी बहुत convince करना पड़ा था विद्युत shirt नहीं उतारते. And then there was a time I remember I got wet in the rain and he's like विद्युत shirt उतार दो क्या?
Happened?
Yeah.
Sorry.
So it's quite a cool thing.
No. Why I'm thinking, because Vidyut doesn't take his shirt off here either. And my team was like, you're big. They were like this. And then why don't you request him? Tell that he's a nice
हाँ
boy.
ये लेके आई किसी को कि
Yeah.
please tell him sir.
So my neighbor says, sir, we don't mind you changing in front of us. So it's happened.
But did you for her team?
तो पर्सनली पहले मैं इनकी वैन में गया मैंने इनको उतार के दिखाया फिर मैंने कहा आप बाहर जाइए मेकअप वाली को बुलाइए.
This is all TRP, yeah. All
Yeah, you're saying.
Dude.
नो सो विद खुदा
मैं बच गई हूँ.
झूठ मत बोलो पिछली बार दिखाया था मैंने तुम्हें कपड़े उतार के.
अरे बाप रे, this is I'm telling this some other show.
So obviously ऐसा थोड़ी होता है कि आपने दिखाया कि नहीं obviously नहीं दिखाया. But yeah, so with Khuda Hafiz too, I tried to surpass again something that we wanted to do different. With Sanak also, it's quite emotional because when the whole team was looking for a female lead, They needed somebody drop dead gorgeous to start with, and then the search began. This is the truth. And then I think somebody, I don't know how they figured her out, and everybody was smitten by her. And apparently her audition was spectacular. So yeah, that's how it is.
See, so many good things coming
The
here.
truth.
The truth. What was your first impression when she came on the sets and she met you?
Yeah, this evening. Yeah.
Thank you.
So I had watched a lot of her stuff before I met her. So I was very sure that there's a confident human being who I'll be meeting. So it's quite a cool feeling to meet somebody who knows what they do. Apart from that, I can keep going on about her beauty, but that's everybody's. She's drop dead gorgeous. When she walks into a room, everybody goes silent, which is quite cool.
That's yeah.
But the cooler thing is that when she walks into a room and everybody goes silent, she goes and says the hello to everybody, which is the coolest thing about her.
Right. And what did you think about him when you first met him? Did you have to break an ice or something like that, or it was very?
I'm actually trying to crack
No,
that.
breakers का मुझे याद नहीं है.
Yeah. Oh, no, we met at office actually. Yeah. The first time we met, I just try to remember. Yeah, we met at the Sunshine Pictures office.
Really?
Yes. Because we were doing our scripts. We had to do a script
Yeah.
reading. Yes, I remember that, and I remember the first thing he asked me that I'm not how are you. He asked me, are you enjoying yourself? So that's something which
It's very important.
people don't really ask. You.
Yeah.
I was like, yes, I am. And he walked in with a big burger in his hands. I remember that. I was like, Vidyut Jamal का छोटा burger देखो.
बाद में पता लगा इस सबने मुझे हरा देती कॉम्पिटिशन इतना बड़ा पिज्जा खाती है. That's cool.
So yeah, and he has to come to Calcutta to do a Roshagola competition with me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please tell me who wins and what
I
happens.
can have 36 at one
Obviously.
moment. Excuse.
Okay.
Listen.
तो प्लान नहीं कर सकते कि
यार पहले बोलते तो मैं ले आती यहाँ पर ही कर
I
लेते
would,
हैं.
listen, I am like the champ. Okay?
till the time you meet the real champ, you will call yourself the champ.
My first movie's name is Champ. I'm just saying.
That was the first in the
First.
past. Now this is the present.
We have to do a Roshagola
The
competition.
Sanki.
Yes.
बोल देते सच्ची ले आती मेरे पास टाइम भी था यार कर लेते ये.
You come to Calcutta.
I will hold on to this for sure. You all shot it during the pandemic, and how was
Yes,
it? Like
and I tested
it's
positive.
very
My God. हार्ट अटैक हो गया था पूरी टीम को. हीरोइन को कोरोना हो गया है. सब लोग फोन कर रहे हैं मैडम आइए ओके शीज इन क्वारंटाइन.
No, hospital में IV drip से बात भी कौन है?
Oh,
No,
God.
but you know, I think actors are at risk. I mean, we are the ones the ones who primarily function without a mask. So that is something you cannot
Yeah.
not do. So it just happened, and also I was traveling to and from there. I mean, I have to say, Sunshine Pictures and Vipul Shah Production took utmost care of all of us on set. Like there were a lot of strict regulations which were followed on set. There was off-set people, on-set people, and all of those things. But it was happening to everybody. So
Right.
it's happened to the best of people, even post-vaccination. I think it happened, and I think I was very well taken care of. I was here. I was hospitalized for a week and everything, and then you do feel that you know when you're in your own city, irrespective, you feel that he gets his ghar ke paas. But that was a little difficult. And then when you only see people through PPTs and you just see the eyes,
Yeah.
I like having conversations, but that didn't really happen. But I think the entire world was going through that. But then we got back on our feet.
But it must be challenging यार to shoot. I think BioBubble में shoot किया आप लोग ने and rest of the other things.
Yeah.
हाँ Vidyut?
बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Like she said, we are the ones who don't have a mask
Yeah.
on. Everybody has a mask on, and if we get unwell, the movie stops for a while.
Correct.
So it's a bit difficult, but everything's good.
Yeah, and we're here today.
And finally we get to see that in a couple of days more, 10 days more
10 days.
from now. Yeah. How do you feel about this new thing? You know, OTT is booming, and this is your second film on OTT. The first one did wonders, and I'm sure you have a lot of expectations from this. We have a lot of hopes with this. How do you feel this new thing? You know, people are enjoying watching films on OTT, and it's growing, booming.
I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. I think the future's here. It could be the cinemas, it could be OTT. People want to watch something, they'll go and watch it. OTT की एक अच्छी बात ये है कि जैसे मैं आज ही किसी को जिक्र कर रहा था कि you can stop, pause and rewind it and watch it. Like there are certain times when people tell me I'm so quick in action, sir वो बहुत जल्दी से निकल जाती है में. So I enjoy the fact that they can go back and watch
Yeah.
it because this is what I do. So yeah, it's good. It's good.
What about you?
Of course, it's opened a brand new perspective for us as an audience, not only as an actor but also as an audience. And one a very strong and powerful message which I realized, especially, and I think everybody did, that it is art which helped us survive through this pandemic.
Yeah.
Without art and artists,
True.
I don't think we would have lost our minds. Be it a silly little reel you watch online, be it some music to listen to, or you're reading a book, or you're watching movies and web series on OTT. So I think it has somehow OTT has played into the fact where it has helped us survive this. As the lockdown, I mean, we'd be losing it in a way. So how important artists are, I think that came into being courtesy the lockdown. And this is the order of the day.
Yeah.
This is where we are heading. One can never deny the magic of the big screen. I mean,
Yeah.
the way, I think cinema, being in a theater is such a beautiful feeling because everybody comes together and they all have their own lives which they've left behind, and you feel this oneness.
Yeah.
I think that you can't. You marrow a CD, you rip off your shirts, you're dancing to somebody's song.
तुम्हें सीडी मारनी आती है?
आती है?
मार बजाओ।
नहीं, अभी नहीं।
मारो,
On
so-
camera. I used to practice that
I
in
haven't seen
college.
anybody whistle apart from me.
No,
I can carry a whistle and go.
That's possible.
I used to learn and I
Oh,
singing
मैं हारमोनियम
like
बजा लेता हूँ।
yeah.
wow.
I'm playing piano, but no harmonium. We all
Pianist
learn.
and harmonium.
Yeah, harmonium. But yeah, coming back to the question, yeah, I think it's the order of the day and we're at it.
But there are a lot of people also saying that इतना ट्रेलर देखने के बाद like ये तो बड़ी स्क्रीन के लिए बनी है यार. What do you have to say for that?
नहीं, लोग तो बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं यार, बड़ी स्क्रीन के लिए ही बनाई गई थी, बट जिस तरह से हमने देखा कि the pandemic took a while to get over with, and there's a lot of money that the producer has to hold on. अगर थिएटर में आपकी फिल्म आ रही है तो और 20 फिल्में भी आ रही हैं.
हाँ.
As an actor, as somebody who has to decide whether we go to a OTT or a theater, I had to take this decision because the producer should not lose money. That's the most important thing. किसी का भी नुकसान नहीं होना चाहिए. And खुदा हाफिज़ 2 आएगी थिएटर में यार. Theaters will never shut. But we can't deny the fact that OTT is a great platform and I'm
True.
very proud of it.
True. But do you also think that अभी 22nd को theaters तो open हो रहे हैं. It will be slight difficult to pull the audience to the
I
theaters
am
because
not
of that
releasing in a
fear.
theater. I'm not thinking about it. Why to stress about other people's things? अपनी 15 अक्टूबर को रिलीज होगी उसकी सोच रहा हूँ. I have a lot of things on this. I can give you an input, but why waste time? It's somebody else's movies. Let them decide. Let them figure it out.
Right. So let's come to talking about Khuda Hafiz 2. Please tell us where have you finished shooting? Give us some more details about that.
So we've shot about 80% of it in Lucknow, and we've got 20% left in Egypt. So after we finish Sanak, I'll go finish the movie, and it's spectacular what the director's done.
So it's a different story from the first one completely.
So पहले में एक ट्रू स्टोरी थी जहाँ पे एक हस्बैंड और वाइफ की शादी होती है और रिसेशन के दौरान वो जॉब ढूंढते हैं. बीवी वहाँ एक दिन पहले चले जाती है, उसके बाद कभी मिली नहीं. ये हकीकत की स्टोरी है. सेकेंड पार्ट में we hadn't decided of making the second part, and I remember Farooq one evening called me and he said, विद्युत यार ये तो सच्चाई है, मैं उस परिवार से मिला हूँ, उनके पास ना ही नौकरी है और ना ही उनको कोई पूछता है. So we called it खुदा हाफिज चैप्टर 2 अग्नि परीक्षा. उस लड़की ने जब भी जॉब की ट्राई की, everybody in the office was like, she's the guy who got raped. And the guy, anywhere he went, so they changed the cities.
Okay.
Nothing changed for them. So Agni Pariksha is the second part. It's not a true story, but why not tell a story after happy endings? So that's the idea.
Yeah. Oh, awesome. What about you? What next from your end?
Kishmish. मैं बहुत प्रमोटर हूँ किशमिश का.
Because he likes the story, I guess.
I like the song.
Yeah. So now he likes Bangla songs. By the way, yeah. He made him listen to a few from my film. So this is this movie I just finished filming. I was shooting in Calcutta and then in Darjeeling. So I just got back from there and then I was shooting for Sanak. It's called Kishmish. It's a Bangla film, and which is due to release I think in sometime during Feb. And it's a wonderful rom-com and with
आऊँगा थिएटर में देखने कलकत्ता में फिर.
Because he loves the songs, huh? He loves the songs.
I like the story. I like the
story.
way you're looking at it. I saw it.
So
Nice.
it's got like a 2015 and then we've got a 1980s look, so it's between two timelines. And
Wow.
But it's a beautiful one, Kishmish.
Wow, great. So well, on that note, thank you so much. It was lovely having a conversation with you all,
Likewise.
and looking forward to Sanak.
Yes.
Seriously, और मेरे को एक बार सन की बनना पड़ेगा लगता है।
तुम सन की हो, बनना नहीं पड़ता है यहाँ नहीं, सन की होना बहुत अच्छी बात है। किसी चीज का साना, किसी चीज की पागल होना बहुत जरूरी है। अगर वो नहीं है तो तुम बोरिंग और नॉर्मल हो, क्या फायदा होगा? नॉर्मल एंड बोरिंग,
नो,
देन बी सन की गर्ल।
आई विल। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you for having